Welcome to smartkitprojects.com. As you can see, the name of this project is RF based home automation. Now I am going to tell you what are the components that we have used to make this project. Now as you can see on the left hand side, this is the RF receiver circuit. This is the RF receiver with LED light. The green light is LED light which is popping. The 8051 microcontroller, relays and connectors, LED lights, LCD, and on the right hand side, as you can see, this is a 6-volt battery. This is a transmitter with the buttons and like it will work as a remote. This is basically known as transmitter. So here, as you can see, the name of this project is RF based home automation. Now in this you can control the loads, the 4 loads from the RF module. So for an example, let's on the first load. See, as you can see, the first load is on over here, and as you can see, it also turned on here. Now we pull this down, it will off the first load. So here basically what happens, the radio signal is first from the transmitter end is sent to the RF module, then it is directed to microcontroller, and then microcontroller processes the data and shows you in the screen LCD over here, as you can see. So as you can see here, all loads are off. Now if I pull up the second load, see here you can see on the RF module the second load is on, and it is on as well as here also, and on the LCD it is showing that load 2 is on. Now I'll just switch off the load 2. Now I'll switch on the load 3. See, load 3 on, again it is off. Now it goes same for load 4 by pulling up the 4th button. 4th load is on, 4th load is on, and the message on the LCD. Now if I pull down the load 4 button, it will switch off the loads. And now by switching on, pulling down this main remote key, the whole process get turned off. If you press the transmitter circuit is pulled down or switch is pulled down. So basically this was a simple demonstration on how the project works on RF module, like home automation works on RF module. Thank you for watching the video and warm welcome from smartkitprojects.com. Please subscribe us. Thank you.